Hey y'all, in today's video we're going to be cutting this bob that I made. I'm so irritated right now because I went to the hair store, got everything I needed. I made the wig and everything. I was supposed to have my friend cut it, but I told her no, I was going to cut it by myself. I bought myself some nice shades and all of that. Why the shades is gone and I didn't even open the package, I don't know. But I got 4 different pairs of scissors here today. So hopefully with all of these scissors, oh y'all, got my nails done. But hopefully with all of these scissors we can do something with it. First I'm gonna put it on. Now mind you, my braids is bulky, so it's not going to be as flat as it can be. Well, school don't start till Tuesday. It's only Sunday, so I flatten my braids before then. But yeah, this is just to cut it right now. But right now I'm gonna be putting it on my head. I'm gonna flat iron it, and then I'm gonna put it on my mannequin head. And then first I'm gonna put it on my head, I'm gonna flat iron it, and then I'm gonna put it in a ponytail, cut the ponytail off, then put it on my mannequin head and clean it up. So if y'all like to see me attempt to do this bob, then keep on watching. Ain't got no tears left to cry. Okay y'all, so your girl is done, but let's talk about this. So I cut it too short. I had it right when I was recording, but then it's like when the camera stopped rolling and then I ran out of space, it was like something just went wrong. So I'm gonna turn around and show y'all the back, but I'm just let you know it's not even. Well, it's kind of even, but it's not the most even that it could be. But like, this is the size, this is the size, and I'm gonna just try to get somebody that know what they doing to cut it. So let me show y'all this side too. Okay, so let's turn around to the back for you. Now, like I said, it's not really even or nothing like that, but It's as even if it's as even as it's gonna get. I probably do have a hump in the back. I told y'all I was gonna fix that by making my braids smaller. So the hair I have is model hair in like something 27. So it's the dark roots with the honey blonde hair. I don't remember. I might insert a picture. If not, I'll link it down below. It is hair store hair, but it's flowing like it's not. Y'all see those? Oh, wait, where my comb go at? Oh, y'all see, like, it's really, oh, you don't even really gotta keep combing it because this hair is really bomb, y'all. But maybe I could tuck it behind my ears and like finesse up there. I don't know. I think I just don't like the dark roots. I think I gotta get used to dark roots, or how far they come at least. I think that's what's making me mad. For it to be hair store hair though, this hair is really good. It's nice and flowy. You see that? Oh. But I just don't think I like it. Is a gradual like effect, but I don't know. I feel like it's not gradual enough for me. But yeah, it'll work out. It probably got grow on me. I never had a bob this short before, so maybe it gotta grow on me. I feel like I look like dry faced it though. So for school, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, do my eyelashes, put my little lip gloss on and all of that, and maybe just maybe then it'll grow on me. But yeah, if y'all would like to see me do another hairstyle or anything like that, comment it down below. Any type of videos that you like to see, comment it below. Yeah, any suggestions? Sorry, I got hair in my bra. Any suggestions, comment below. And yeah, make sure y'all subscribe and turn y'all post notifications on, that bell button next to the subscribe button, because sometimes YouTube does not notify you of when I upload, and there's no point in me uploading if you're not going to watch it. I upload for you guys, so make sure you hit that button, both buttons, subscribe and notification bell. And I will see y'all guys in my next video. Bye.